three of the simplest AI tools you should start using. I guarantee you this. If you start using all of these AI tools, it's going to help you in your daily life and everything. So please, watch till the end. Google, I bet you have used this before. For example, ask it a question and yeah, it's going to give you an answer. For example, how do I go on YouTube 2024? And as you can see, if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see a lot of Google response. Here are some tips for growing on YouTube channel in 2024. Great quality content, optimize for audience, be continued for more channel, analyze and adapt more YouTube tips. So the first thing I choose Google. Not only can you do this with Google, there's one other secret that I bet nobody ever told you. So if you come here, you click tools, it's going to show you a bunch of tools. Now, this isn't the only thing. The mask may, if you have a better question. For example, you're trying to learn how to grow on YouTube or how to beat the YouTube algorithm. You're like, I don't want to search this. It's over here. And it's also going to provide you a bunch of videos. Now, not only is it going to provide you this, if you click on more, you can choose lights, max, book, web, or shopping, and it's going to even give you more. You can even click videos. It's going to show you a bunch of videos. And on top of that, if you come down here again, it can give you more things people even search for. If you come to next, it's going to give you more and more things. And again, on top of that, even on top of that, it's going to give you images that you can actually use for your thumbnails on YouTube. So the first AI tool is quite obvious. It is certainly Google. Okay, the second AI tool is called InVideo AI. InVideo AI is simple. All you have to do is give it a short prompt. For example, create a video about how to use ChatGPT. And all you have to do is click generate video and it's going to generate the video for you. It's very simple. Watch the video above to learn more. But anyway, watch the video above or in the description to learn more. But anyways, I want you guys to use this AI tool, which is a bonus one. But anyways, the third AI tool is Google Docs. Now, Google Docs, it is a very cool thing. So, there's a lot of secrets about Google Docs. Now, I know most of you, you're like, Google Docs does not count as an AI tool. But the answer is it actually does. It actually counts as a great AI tool. So, it's a very simple one, like I said. So, okay. So, you can actually do one thing you probably didn't know about this Google Docs AI tool is that you can actually do a few things with it. First thing, obviously, you can just type with it. But you probably didn't know, so you can turn Google Docs to an email. Now, I know most of you probably noticed, you're like, that's not special, but here's the special part. This is amazing. For example, you can be like, here, sending people an email because you're doing a business and you want people to like, go to your business, buy your things. Click here to access your new course. Underline it. Okay. Now let's click on insert link and you can search or paste a link. For example, I'm going to go to Google Docs again. So this is a link I have in the description if you're interested in, seeing this cool document. And I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click apply. Now what it's going to do is boom, it's something pretty cool. And then I can be like, thank you for signing up for this course. Let's make this Pacifico. We can even make this yellow. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, so obviously I can paste all of these, but no, the link is not going to work. So what you want to click on file right here, file. Now, when you click on file, you want to click download. No, you can see. You can choose what download you want. So what you want to do is you want to click whatever one you want. I will do open document. And then what it's going to do, look, it's going to download it. So as you can see, it just downloaded it. So now what I can do is I can come in here to Gmail and I can send this to someone. For example, I'm going to send this to, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, okay, subject. Thank you for signing up. Actually, I'm going to make this course. Free course. Access now. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click over here, the file, the downloads, and I'm going to see the document today. And now all I'm going to do here is I can do whatever I want. Thank you. And then I'm going to send it. And if I click view message, then I will actually be able to see this document. And you're probably thinking, oh, it's not going to work if you click here. Well, here's the cool thing. Absolutely does. And another thing when it comes to Google Docs is that if you click goals, it can even see the word count. The words I've written. I can change a lot of settings. And so there are a lot of cool things you can do with Google Docs. Okay, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button. I'll see you later.